everyone, it's Christoph Chu from Coldwell Banker Previews International in Beverly Hills. And I'm actually in Beverly Hills at the top of the Montage Hotel and Residences. Luxury condos here at the beautiful Montage Hotel right in the heart of Beverly Hills. Block from Rodeo Drive and half a block from my office. Can't beat that. Over there, this is the north side view of Beverly Hills and the Beverly Hills Post Office area. Kind of most of those hills there are Beverly Hills Post Office. There's a little vista of our beautiful glimmering golden domed City Hall, which is beautiful. The Montage is a really terrific 5-star hotel, if not 6-star. I think they won several awards for being one of the best hotels in Beverly Hills in the country. Down below is a wonderful courtyard. They created a park down there for the residents called Beverly Gardens Park, I believe, which is quite nice. A lot of locals go down there and have lunch. There's that terrace down there is the Bouchon restaurant. Thomas Keller from Sonoma, his restaurant here in Beverly Hills. So this is the beautiful view. I'll show you a little bit of the view of the pool and the cabanas. Quite nice. Nice place to hang out and lounge. They have a great restaurant up here behind the shades over there, one of my favorites, called the Conservatory Grill, which is wonderful, fresh California cuisine, amazing salads, and you're outdoor here in the fresh air overlooking this beautiful vista of downtown Beverly Hills. And there's one of the domes here at the Montage, which is kind of pretty. There's 2 of them. So just little greetings and hello from beautiful Beverly Hills. It's a gorgeous day. It's going to be about 72 degrees, sunshine and clear, just picture perfect, which is why everyone wants to be living or vacationing here in beautiful Beverly Hills. Have a wonderful day, everyone.